To deliver with Uber Eats in Australia, you'll need to register for an ABN or Australian Business Number. It's free, simple, and will allow you to work as an independent contractor. To apply for an ABN, first visit the Australian Business Register website. You can Google Australian Business Register and click on Apply for an ABN. Read the important information before starting. Tick the box and hit Next. For ABN entitlement, select Individual Sole Trader. Select Yes, your activities will be carried out in Australia. Select Yes, you are taking steps to start your activity. For the nature of your activity, select In the form of a business. And select Yes, that you will be doing activities consistent with running a business. Check your responses and hit Next. For application details, enter Sole Trader again. If you already have an ABN, you can enter it here. If not, you can select Yes in the next step to apply for one. Confirm if you already have a tax file number or not. For the next step, regarding whether you are an Australian resident for tax purposes, if you're an Australian citizen, a permanent resident, or if you're on a student visa or working visa, you would typically select Yes. If you're on a working holiday visa, you would typically select No. For the application information step, make sure you fill out your legal name exactly as it appears on your ID. In the next section, you can enter today's date or the date you plan to start delivering. Under Business Activity, you can enter Food Delivery, and for category, enter Food Delivery Service for restaurants. You can answer No for the question about agricultural property. Most delivery people use their home address as the business address. Enter your postal address and confirm your contact details. Under Reason for Application, you can select Contractor/Subcontractor and confirm if this is your first time working as a contractor. For the declaration, please enter your full name. The position held will be Sole Trader. Enter today's date and you can now submit the form. And that's it. Once you receive your ABN number, you can add it to your account. Open the Uber driver app. Click on Tax Settings and scroll to the ABN field. Enter your ABN into this field. You've now completed the ABN step for onboarding. If you need help with any other steps as part of your onboarding process, you can get support directly in the help section of the driver app. Happy delivering.